New listings settled down in February after a massive jump from December to January, and pending sales are starting to pick up the pace. Hang out with us for the next few minutes and we'll show you what's been going on.
Let's take a look at what's happened over the past few weeks, and then we'll zoom out to look at long-term trends.
Okay, when we look at new listings from January to February, they're actually down 11.6% after that 120% jump between December and January that I alluded to in the intro. And looking at pending sales, those came up 9.5% from January to February. Closed sales also up. Days on market are down just a bit. Days on market had been increasing steadily, now down month over month, and median price rose 1.6%.
All right, well, let's check out some long charts and let's get started with new listings.
All right, looking at new listings over the last 3 years, they have been up, and up again in February. And year to date, we are ahead by 11.6%. So definitely still, even though new listings did slow down in February, we're ahead of last year and the year before that. When you look at this long chart, though, we are still way, way off of the historical pace, or at least what had become the historical pace between 2012 and 2019 or so. So we're still looking at really kind of record low new listing numbers, but it is coming up from what it was the last couple of years.
Let's talk about closed sales.
All right, let's look at that. Closed sales down just slightly for both detached and attached properties in February from last February. These numbers, there's not a whole lot of difference. This is like, 90 units different. So not a really super significant number. And year to date, we are just practically right on par with last year. And once again, looking at the long chart, going all the way back to 2012, this current market that we've been in for the past 3 or 4 years just doesn't look like it used to look. A lot less volume overall.
All right, well, let's check out everyone's favorite, median prices.
Okay, so median price, the story has been the same there for several years, and this year is no exception, up, and up again. So we're definitely up on detached, we're up on attached properties, and year to date, we're ahead of last year, both attached and detached. And this number has been rising steadily since before 2012. We have seen, however, these dips, the 2022 dip due to the massive rate increase. And then every summer, or at least not every summer, but the last couple of summers, we've seen this fall off. So median price shoots up in the first and second quarter and then starts to fall off in the third and fourth quarter. We'll see if this year follows suit.
That's why they call it the fall.
Yeah, I guess so. But even though
that was a bad joke.
That's all right. Puns are fine. Even though median price is rising, we're still kind of on pace with where we saw it at the peak last year. So it goes up, it comes down, it goes back up. Overall trend is, of course, up.
All right, well, let's talk about what has largely been driving the market lately, interest rates. Let's see what's going on this week.
Let's see what's going on this week.
All right, here's the Freddie Mac chart for this week, which is looking better than it has. You want to talk about this?
Yeah, this is looking better than it has in quite a few weeks here. 6.63% is the 30-year fixed 7-day average. And that has been coming down over the past few weeks here, really since whenever this was, January, middle of January. We've been seeing rates coming down and down and down, and that is improving buyers' payments. Every time rates come down, more buyers can qualify because the payment is just a little bit less. Of course, median price is kind of negating that savings when we just have these little minuscule rate moves. But it is good news, and hopefully the trend continues.
Yes. Well, we'll keep an eye on it for you. We'll keep an eye on the market, and we'll be back next month with another update. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment, and have a great day.
See y'all later.